state of Karnataka, in specific Bengaluru. Now, Bengaluru's story with potholes is just like a toxic relationship. You can't come out of it and you can't live with it either. And I, as a Bangalorean, can actually agree with that. Now, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar had fixed a 15-day deadline to fix potholes. That was on September 2nd. Now, 15 days have passed and more, but pothole-free Bengaluru is still a distant dream. Let's tell you that former Infosys chairman Mohandas Pai has slammed Karnataka Deputy CM D.K. Shivakumar for not fixing the potholes within the time frame he had set. Now, Pai asked how long the people of Bengaluru should suffer because of bad roads. Let's also tell you, BJP MP PC Mohan also shared a video stating that potholes have not been filled. He questioned if this deadline ended up filling the government's pockets instead. Take a look at this report.
Multiple deadlines have come and gone for the potholes to be filled in the IT capital, Bengaluru city. But unfortunate as it is, clearly promises have not been kept up and potholes continue to persist. Remember, September 17th was indeed the deadline that the Deputy Chief Minister and the Karnataka government had in fact set for potholes to be filled up across the city of Bengaluru. They had said that all of the officials would be taken to task if their work is not done. But despite that, these are not small potholes on interior roads that we're talking about, but on the Baneghatta main road itself here is a massive pothole. Remember, you have several ambulances that commute on this stretch of road because of the primary two hospitals over here, the private hospitals over here. This is, of course, also a very crucial area here because of the IIMB Institute as well. This is an extremely important part of South Bangalore, and this has been the deplorable state of affairs in many parts of the city. The questions that citizens are now asking is, why set a deadline? Why make promises if they cannot be kept up with? Is there going to be action against the BBMP officials? Is there going to be action against the BBMP chief, against all of the errant officials here who failed to do their job? Well, that's a question that we're going to take to them. But you stay tuned as we continue to highlight your plight.